Good day to everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying a very good health. I'm Aliya Batool from Multan Public School and College. Today we will learn grammar. Our grammar topic is simple past irregular verbs. First, we will learn what is a verb. A verb is a word which describes an action. Examples: run, play, work, write. Now we will discuss what are forms of verb. There are four forms of verb: simple present, which is first form of verb; simple past, which is second form of verb; past participle, which is third form of verb; present participle, which is fourth form of verb. Let's understand the concept of forms of verb with the help of an example. For example, I take a random verb that is work. The first form of this verb is work. The second form of work is worked. The third form of work is worked, and the fourth form of work is working. Now we will learn what is irregular verb. An irregular verb is the one whose simple past form and past participle is not formed by adding d or ed to its simple present form. Now look at these examples: beat, beat, beaten; become, became, become; begin, began, begun; bent, bent, bent; bet, bet, bet; bite, bit, bitten; bleed, bled, bled; blow, blew, blown; break, broke, broken; breed, bred, bred; bring, brought, brought; build, built, built; buy, bought, bought; catch, caught, caught; choose, chose, chosen; come, came, come; fall, fell, fallen; feed, fed, fed; feel, felt, felt; fight, fought, fought; find, found, found; fly, flew, flown; forget, forgot, forgotten; forgive, forgave, forgiven; freeze, froze, frozen; get, got, got; give, gave, given; go, went, gone; grow, grew, grown; have, had, had; hear, heard, heard; hide, hid, hidden. Now we will discuss the structure of sentences of simple past irregular verbs. First, we will discuss the structure of affirmative sentences. We will take subject, then irregular verb, which is in the second form, and then object. Example: he sang a song. Now we will discuss the structure of negative sentences. First, we will take subject, then didn't, then irregular verb, which is in the second form, and then object. Example: he didn't sing a song. Structure of interrogative sentences. First, we will take did, then subject, then irregular verb, which is in the first form, and then object, and in the last we will take question mark. For example, did he sing a song? Question mark. Structure of WH family interrogative sentences. First of all, we will take WH words, then did, then subject, then irregular verb, which is in the first form, then object, and then question mark. Example, when did he sing a song? Question mark. Now this is a time for recalling. In this lesson, we have learned about the use of irregular verbs. It is all from today's lesson. I hope you have understood the topic. If you have any query, feel free to contact me. Stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.